Got something, guys. Oh, it's a tarpon. It's a tarpon. It's a tarpon. I need to get after him.
I'm Capt.C.C.Corey. Come with me and experience some of the most action-packed and adrenaline-filled fishing that North and Northeast Florida has to offer. We fish for everything from huge bass in freshwater to monster tarpon in saltwater, and everything in between. If you like seeing awesome jumps, if you like the sound of a screaming drag,
shit! Gosh! Man!
if you like seeing big fish, well, you just might have found your channel. So sit back, relax if you can, and let's see what we can hook into today with the North Florida Angler. Hey guys, C.C. Corey here, the North Florida Angler. It's a mullet run in Northeast Florida, and that means all kinds of fun fish you can catch right off the beach or very near the beach. There's tons of sharks, giant jacks, kingfish, Spanish max, bonita, just to name a few. And of course, my favorite, the Silver King, aka the mighty tarpon. Y'all come with me and I'll show you what a typical day is like fishing the beach during the Northeast Florida mullet run. Y'all check it out.
Broke off. Still a bonita right there, guys. If I can get one. There, I got one. There he goes, there he goes. Oh, he's running. And he's running like that. And listen to that drag, guys. And these things can pull. Look at that. Wow. They can strip some drag. There he is right there. They can definitely strip some drag. Okay. Let's see if I can get him here. They're still feeding right there. Okay. There he is, guys. Nice bonita I just caught. There he is right there. I'm going to go ahead and throw him back. corks down, guys. I think one's got it. All right, guys, hooked up with something. Don't know what it is. Running like heck. It's coming up, I think. I'm gonna have to chase after it. Alright guys, I'm hooked up with something. I don't think it's a tarpon, it hasn't jumped. It made a really long first run though. No. Don't know what it is, guys. Fish are still tearing it up over there. Come up here. Let me get a look at you. Let me see what you are. I think it's a big old jack crevalle. That's what I think it is. Yeah, I think it's a big old jack crevalle. Another one. Yep, it's another big old jack crevalle. Caught two of these things today. Well, I mean, I ain't caught him yet, but wow. Oh yeah, big old sucker. Yeah, there he is right there. Yeah. Looks like he's got something hit him there on the side there. Oh yeah, big old sucker. There he is right there, guys. Big old jack crevalle. Let's see if I'm dead in here. Wow, he barely fits in the net. Oh man, that is a big one right there now. Oh yeah. Wow, look at the size of that sucker. Huh. Yeah, huge, huge one. He was hooked good. He was not going to get away. Big old jack crevalle, guys. There he is right there. Yeah, big old jack. Right there. Big old sucker. Yeah, right there. There he is, guys. There he is right there. Yeah. Let me see how much he weighs. 30 pounds. Dead on 30 pounds, guys. Dead on 30 pounds. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let this big old sucker go. But there he is right there. Big old monster jack crevalle, 30 pounder. I've caught two of these suckers today, a 28 pounder and a 30 pounder. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw them back. There he goes. Alright. You guys see that? something, guys. Oh, it's a tarpon. It's a tarpon. It's a tarpon. I need to get after him. It's a tarpon, guys. I got one on. Oh, he's running again. I gotta get after him. I gotta get after him here. Gotta get some of this line back. Go, guys. Run again. It is a tarpon. It's right there. Oh, you got some more air. He's probably gonna get strong again. Okay, start giving him some sideways pressure here. Oh. Start giving him that sideways pressure. Okay, straight down now. Get him back up. Come on, baby, come back up here. Get him up again. Okay, there he is right there, guys. Yeah, that's a pretty good size one. Oh yeah, pretty good size one. Cannot keep him up. Okay, there he is right there. Okay, let's see if I can get these gloves on. Looks like he's hooked good. Okay. Let's see what happens, guys. I'm gonna loosen this drag down a little bit more. Nope. Okay, let's try this again. Darn it. Okay, I got him now. I got him. Oh. There he is right there, guys. Oh, God, he about to knock the camera out of my hand. There he is, guys. Big old tarpon. Big old tarpon. There he is right there. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna see if I let this guy go now. I'm gonna let him go. Oh. All right, there she goes. Good release. Woo, that was a tough tarpon right there now. Tough tarpon. All right, guys, I'm pretty darn tired right now. I got a really good release on that fish, great fight, and I'm ready to call her a day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the North Florida Angler. Till next time, tight lines, good fishing, and we'll see you out in the water.